Hey guys, what is up? This is Dhruval Patel. Welcome to my channel Technocrat Dhruval. You can now customize the icons on your iPhone in iOS 14. iOS 14 has brought a welcome refresh to the iPhone's interface with the addition of widgets, the app library and a number of other improvements. One that has garnered less attention but could be the single best way of personalizing your device is the ability to change your app icons. In this video, I will show you how to use this new customization feature in iOS 14. Before we begin, it should be noted that changing the icons on your iPhone is a little bit of a hack. You don't need to jailbreak your device or install any weird software. It all revolves around Apple's shortcut apps. This should be on your iPhone already, but if not, you can download it for free on the App Store. As you will be creating shortcuts on the home screen, when you tap the icon, it won't directly open the app itself. Rather, it will use shortcut commands to do so, all of which results in a slight delay. There's also the disadvantage that you won't see any notification indicators on the icon itself, although you will still receive messages in the notification center. If you are happy to work within these conditions, then changing the icons is a quite straightforward procedure. To do so, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. It also works on the iPad, and tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen to create a new shortcut. On the next page, you will see the option to add action. Tap this and then on the following page, use the search bar at the top to find the Open App command and select it to create the first part of the shortcut. You will see a new box with the title Scripting, inside which is the Open command you added. To the right of this is the option Choose. Tap this and you will be represented with a list of apps that are currently installed on your device. Select the one you want to give a new icon and you will see it added to the Open command back in the scripting box. Above the scripting box, you will see 3 white dots in a blue circle. Tap this, then select Add to the home screen. On the following page, tap the icon displayed in the home screen name and icon box. You will see a small menu appear with 3 options: Choose File, Choose Photo and Take Photo. Here's where you select the icon you want to use. If you go for an existing photo, then you will be able to resize it to fit the icon dimensions. But I am sure there will be plenty of downloadable options available online as this feature becomes more popular. With the image selected, tap on the area to the right of the new icon and give the shortcut the same name as the app you want it to launch. Then tap the Add button in the top right corner followed by Done. Now, when you go to your home screen, you should see the newly created app replete with your custom icon. Tap it and you will briefly see the Shortcuts app appear, swiftly replaced with Open app of your choice. It's not quite as smooth as native apps, but it's close and a lot more representative of your own personal style. So guys, this is it. I hope you understood the whole process. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, then please ask in the comment section. If you have liked this video, then please hit the thumbs up button down below and share it with everyone. If you want this type of useful videos regularly, then please hit the subscribe button down below and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new video. Also follow me on Instagram at technocrat_Dhruval. We'll see you guys in the next useful video. Till then, stay safe and stay motivated. Peace.